for the on the head. Yep. So it's head and brain.
Oh, it's on me. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to go up like this, across the ear, and you've got your hand in the middle of her forehead. So your fingers are in the middle of her forehead, and you're going to go right across her forehead to your fingers. Okay, you're going to do 3 times that way. Then you're going to go over a half of, so wherever you were here, you're going to go halfway over. So where these 2 fingers were before, these 2 fingers are going to be now. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so you're going to go there, and you're going to go up through the hair, and then again right to there. And then you're going to go one more time, so you should be right about the center of the back of her head, and you're going to go up, and
She's purring.
and I haven't even started doing it.
I love being pampered.
And then you're going to go over to the left side and do the same thing. Do you want to come around?